Friday, June 30th, 4:21 p.m. New York time. U.S. stock market is closed. We just finished the last trading week of the month, the second ending quarter of the year. So we're halfway through the year now. We look at the monthly charts. Each candle represents a month, and we're looking at a 5-year duration. Determine the winners and losers, who's at new highs, who's at new lows. There's 30 stocks in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. We'll go by alphabetical order, top down. First, we're looking here at the Dow Jones Industrial Index. Green for the month, made a higher high, higher low, and a new high for the year. Outstanding. Outstanding. Yep. Here's the low for the year. Down here. Here's the high for the year. Again, new high for the year. Something many media outlets are not sharing with you is the 30 companies listed inside that index and how they're performing. Apple, new high for the year, also took out the high of last year. Outstanding. Where else have you heard that from? If any other place before you're hearing that from me? So the correlation is Apple and the Dow both made a new high for the year. Amgen, Alpha Mike Golf November, new low for the year. Big difference. Big difference. Yep. Failure of this company. Oops, let's adjust that low. Next, American Express. Still inside the range of the year. Here's the high for the year. Here's the low for the year. Boeing, new high for the year. Outstanding. Tight consolidation range here. Finally broke above it. Caterpillar, green for the month. Huge candle. Amazing. Seller shut off those 2 months. Outstanding. Finally, it made a turnaround. So that was an inside candle right there. Yellow inside candle. And it reversed. The trend reversed. Outstanding. Salesforce, inside candle for the month. Undecided what it wants to do. Very suspicious. Small little body, big wick on top. Inside that big candle. Potential reversal. Use caution. Cisco, just shy of making a new high for the year. Chevron Corporation, almost at the low of the year. Or sorry, almost new low for the year. Did it make a new low? Let's look here. This candle was low 149.91. Yep, new low for the year. Loser. Disney, inside candle, just shy of the low of the year. Yep, many stocks so far we're going through are close to the low of the year. Just several of them are leading new highs. Dow Chemical, look at that. Very close to the low of the year, but made an inside candle. Goldman Sachs, also looking bad down here. Home Depot, it made a reverse off the lows. Honeywell, inside the range for the year. IBM, same thing, inside the range of the year. Intel, new high for the year. Yeah, big difference than the past 2 years. Johnson & Johnson, actually, let's go back to Intel. So Intel, new high for the year. We'll look at AMD. It's not in the Dow, but same business model. There's AMD, much better, been trading better than Intel. Interesting. Johnson & Johnson, look at that big consolidation down here, struggling. JP Morgan, new high for the year. Coca-Cola, inside candle. So many inside candles this month. A lot of indecision. McDonald's, new high for the year, outstanding. So let's adjust this. Yep, interesting. The food made a new high for the year versus some of the other stocks. Wow, big difference. 3M, new low for the year. Terrible. Merck, just shy of high. There's a high last month, and there we are now inside. Microsoft, outstanding. New high for the year. Took out the high of last year, as well as took out the high from 2021. Outstanding Microsoft. Good job you getting those government contracts several years ago, the prior administration, beating out Amazon. Again, government contract they have is certainly helping them. Getting a lot of revenue. A contract is offering a cloud service. Yep. Many companies offer cloud services for city, county, municipalities. The big contract is when they're doing it for the U.S. government, as well as other governments. U.S. technology offers cloud services for. Okay, Nike retail, new low for the year. Loser. Yep. Bad shape. Procter & Gamble, inside candle. Travelers, such a small trading range. Look how small that is compared to the other months. United Health, new low for the year. Took out the low of last year right there and made a new low for itself. Wow. So let's fix this now. New low for the year. That should be shocking a lot of people. This kind of company, yeah. Again, majority of these companies are not making new highs for the year where the index is. So you'd be better off doing dollar cost average with the index than the individual stocks. Visa, there we go. Inside the range, the high and the low. Verizon, new low for the year. Loser. Whiskey Bravo Alpha. Walgreens, also new low for the year. Let's move that down. So already seeing more lows, more new lows for the year versus more new highs. Yeah, there's worse. More of them are performing worse than the Dow index. And Walmart just shy of the high of the year. So that's it. All Dow 30 stocks we just went through alphabetical order. Consider to watch this again so you clearly understand who's the leaders, which to be investing in, not the losers. Because again, some companies soon may be taken off the stock index if they continue underperforming and new companies be replaced. Yep, such has been the case with the NASDAQ 100, the Russell 2000. I shared that too. Recently, they had their indexes adjusted and stocks were removed and put on smaller indexes. So that may happen this year. You may see some companies taken off and replaced.